see this man here that call himself a prophet, Primate Ayodele. These kind of people, they are the enemies of Nigeria.
Not be talking anyhow because you are a prophet.
First, your statement was built on negative stereotypes, personal hate, and emotional manipulation disguised as prophecy.
Now, what is the name of this pastor? The name of this man is Primate Ayodele. What is the meaning of primate? Let's quickly look at it. A primate is a mammal belonging to the order primates, which includes lemurs. Lemurs, na King Julian for Madagascar. Lorises, tarsiers, monkeys, apes. So if you are looking at it from the animal perspective, what he's saying makes sense because of the class it belongs to.
Someone who is supposed to be a religious leader, being so reckless in the manner that he says this, you know, it's really disgusting.
The Igbos are not the problem of Nigeria. They have contributed in sports, they've contributed in literature, they've contributed in academics, they've contributed in business, they've contributed to the military, they've contributed economically, and contributed politically. And they are the most traveled and integrated group of people among the different nationalities in Nigeria.
I don't know what the Igbos have done that will hurt them this much that you will have to carry it even to a place where you call church.
So before you get angry, say the pastor talk something, understand that not be everybody when we say wear cloth, fit talk, be human. Some, they follow their name, they follow them.
There's nothing that warrants you sitting down and using a brush and categorizing people in such a demeaning manner.
What kind of elder, let alone a man claiming to be a prophet, opens the very same mouth he uses to prophesy and insults his cursed generation and tribe, not my people?
If you are an Igbo man and you're attending that shrine, I'm sorry for you. You can see clearly the type of person you're following.
The Igbos are not the problem of Nigeria. Nigeria is the problem of the Igbos.